And then I'll just fluff it up a little bit. Woo! And I'm ready to go tack Italy, Milan. We're going on a 7-day. Okay, it's that time. I'm in Italy, right now in Milan. My bangs are too long. I need to do my bangs. So I like my bangs to come over a little bit. I'm gonna take the first part over here. Grab those bangs. I only have little tiny scissors, but I'm gonna grab them and I'm just gonna notch it just a little bit, yeah. It's this especially right here is where I need it the most. And you want that nice piecey, so it's piecier. Yeah, that's all I needed was that little piece. And then I'm gonna leave this longer, at least I think. Hold on. All right, just a little. I'm gonna do it here too. It's the little things that matter. So all you need is just that little bit, and then I'm gonna curl my whole hair. Okay, now I need to do this side coming down. Now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do a quick curl. Oh yeah, it's nice and hot. Okay, I'm gonna take big sections. Big section, like this whole section right here. It's gonna be fast and quick because this baby's hot. Real quick, real quick, real quick. That's it. Now I'm gonna take the next one, like a big section. This whole big section. I'm gonna get in, wrap it, wrap it. You gotta feel it through it, you know, the little bit of warmth. So because it's such a thick piece, I have to feel it a little bit more. It's almost there. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Perfect. And then I'm gonna take the next one like right here. And there'll be 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. And then voila. Pick it, curl it, feel it. All right, now I'm gonna turn it and twist. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Can I feel it? And that's it. Done. Now I'm just gonna make it have a little fun. And then I will just do it right up here too. A quick little, that was like the bottom part. Now I'm gonna do the top part. And I just really wanna do that little bit more right here. You look at it. I don't want it a lot of curl, just a little like that. And just a little bit right here. Might be a little bang. I'm gonna hold it down. And then, see, so easy, so quick. Now the other side, I'm gonna start up here first because I wanna need a little bit more right here. I'll probably have to do one back here too. Pulling it forward, get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. And I'm just gonna slightly pull this a little bit, this, to make sure that those ends are in. That's it, easy peasy. One more right here. Get those ends, there you go. And then you can just do it quick. See, when the curling iron is nice and hot, I can't see which way I'm doing it, but it could do it so much faster. Now I'm gonna go back here and look at the piece that's not done, right here. Oh, make sure it's on. Now I'm gonna take it and just twirl it. I'm gonna grab those ends, get those ends in there. There we go, a little bit more. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Perfect. Okay, now I'll take this I'll take this section. So it's like 3 on top and 3 on the bottom. I like to take a thick section because I don't want it super curly. I just want it to be nice and soft and loose. Okay, and I'm pulling it forward. Okay, I want you to see that. Let me do that again real quick. Grab this hair. Okay, now look. I'm going to pull it forward. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. But I'm gonna loosen it because I don't want it super tight. I can't feel it through because it's a thick section, but I like thick sections. Okay, so look, I was able to do that part, but I gotta do this top part by itself because it's too much hair. Get those ends right there. Good. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, because I just want it a little. Okay, now I'm gonna do this part right here. And then you look underneath too. Do I need to do this part? I need to do just this one. See how that's done? Grab it, turn it. Now listen, it always has to go with the barrel. Okay, now I'm gonna like twist it, get her done. Yep, like 1, 2, 3, good, done. And then this one I have to do right here. Just take it. See how the barrel's going so I can roll it back easily? That's what you need. See, because that's such a thin piece of hair, I don't need to do it long. Now I'm gonna do, all right, this one more piece one more time. You know, you might have to just do it a couple times if you didn't leave it in long enough, but I'd rather just do it again than leave it in too long. And then it's stuck. All right, now I'm gonna like let it sit because it's right where it needs to be. And then I'm gonna I just lightly tap that clamp to like open it up a little bit. And now I'm gonna do my front too. I don't really like doing them forward. I'm gonna try them back. I do like them forward, but not with the curling iron. So I'm really gonna have to push them the way I want them and just ever so slightly. Yeah, that's what I want. And then I just have to do this piece right here, okay? I'm bringing it forward. I'm always bringing it forward. Get those ends, get those ends, get those ends, okay? Yeah, now comb it all through. And the only two pieces that I want to just finish. Yeah, I like that. I just have to do this one that way too. See, because I like the way that came out. Now listen, you're going to grab it and you're going to pull it down and forward and just get that little end. Keep pulling it forward, keep pulling it forward. Okay, just like that. But I will need to do this part right here at the top on this side. I see those ends right there, so I'm going to just ever so slightly clamp it in there. And I'm gonna make sure I do the other side so I don't have like a big, cowlick right there. I'll do this side, get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. Okay, good. And one more thing I'm gonna do is right here. I wanna do this middle part. I wanna marry it together. And 10 minutes, guys, that's all it took, 10 minutes, just to make yourself feel and look good. You know, it takes time. We have to put a little energy and effort into ourselves. I want to say your beauty is earned, your reputation is earned. We have to earn the things we get, and it's like nothing's given for free, right? And trust me, if I don't wear makeup, people are like, are you feeling okay? And I'm like, yeah, but I'm just getting older, so I need makeup. If a bar needs painting, paint it. And then I'll just fluff it up a little bit. Woo! And I'm ready to go tack Italy, Milan. We're going on a 7-day e-bike trip. So super excited to really beautiful places. And then that's it. Yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Mwah. And what would be a great quote today? I love great quotes, and I think you must see value in yourself to add value to yourself. Do you understand? There's something important about that. You know, for me, I love God. I let him fill me up, but then I have to love me too. And I have to fill me up, because otherwise we're giving to other people out of our reserves, out of things. If we have lack of something inside, we can't give what we don't have. So it's super important to get within so you don't go without. That's by Carl Jung, Swiss psychiatrist, the 1920s. You must go within so you don't go without. You need to be able to look in a mirror, and you need to be able to say, God, thank you that I'm wonderfully and marvelously made. Thank you that you make all beautiful things. God makes everything beautiful, right? We need to see the beauty within ourselves as well. So I hope you guys have a great day. This is Coach Kimmy, and God bless you all. Mwah.